Technology Stories, Artificial Intelligence for Metaverse. This article is about the role of artificial intelligence in Metaverse. To know about what is Metaverse, and how does AI supports Metaverse evolution. What is Metaverse? The term Metaverse arose in 1992 science fiction novel named Snow Crash, where humans can interact with each other and other virtual objects as avatars. Source, Wikipedia, and.wikipedia.org. Metaverse is used to describe combination of virtual reality and mixed reality through headset or even through browser or other media to interact each other in real time. It is used in fitness, education, gaming, real estate, and also in retail. There are researches going on to widen its contribution in technology. Role of artificial intelligence in Metaverse. Artificial intelligence, AI, has become prevalent technology which is used in various domains. AI is already being used in computer vision, helping doctors to perform robotic surgeries, prevents fraud detection, prediction, inventory, gaming, language translation, etc. Meta. Facebook was renamed Meta in October 2021. Sources say that Mark Zuckerberg focuses to invest in building Metaverse. The vision of building social Metaverse will enhance in entertainment, gaming, exercise, work, education, medical field, and commerce. AI for content creation, avatars and entities. AI enables the creation of real-world objects or human avatars in virtual world with real-life entities. It has evolved to look more realistic, closely resembling the humans they represent. This can be made by AI-assisted animation or even by AI-powered video editing platforms. Digital content. AI can provide valuable insights drawn from analyzing customer data. It can provide a clear idea about your target audience's interests and preferences. Some content creation tools were Jasper, HubSpot, etc. AI computer vision technology is used to analyze the user's environment with data from VR devices to adjust the user's position and motion in metaverse space. Digital merchandise. AI can separate customer demand preferences and profiles by brands, fashion wear, colors, and sizes at the store or store group level, enabling retailers to design using AI for enhanced experience. Digital humans. Metaverse also have digital humans which act as avatars of automated assistants or chatbots. It helps the avatars to perform transactions or interacts each other to know the real human needs. For example, you may come across in the latest digital platform or applications have chatbot to help or assist you. Apart from Metaverse, other example like My Geo app is having GeoCare, help and support with virtual chatbot for assistance. NLP and Metaverse. AI and Metaverse have strong contribution in globally speaking multiple language. Natural language processing, NLP, can be used for language translation, analysis to make communication between people with metaverse elements to detach constraints on spoken language. AI can also help in real-time speech-to-text and text-to-speech translation. Digital twins. A digital twin is a virtual representation of an object or system in the digital world of the metaverse. It was originally developed in Internet of Things (IoT) concept for analyzing real-time performance. Uses of digital twins in metaverse. It can be used in manufacturing, automobile, retail, healthcare, smart cities, etc. AI for BMI. The world's future of human-machine interface is the brain-machine interface or BMI. A brain-machine interface is a tool that tries to translate neural signals in the brain into commands capable of controlling external software or hardware, such as a computer or robotic arm. The researchers are working towards brain signals and send signals to neurons. BMI have a great future in medical science for its diagnose. Can a human brain connect to computer? University researchers say yes, it was connected. Read more on this topic, intelligentliving.co. Conclusion, yet more developments to launch in the AI for Metaverse. AI and Metaverse have bright future globally, I believe. Shoot your comments below, and also if this article is useful for new lads, follow me in Below Media.